About 500,000 migrants fleeing political persecution and natural disasters could soon lose legal protections in the United States. Late last week, the Trump administration announced plans to end the temporary protected status program for immigrants from several countries, targeting those groups for deportation as soon as next month. Our Angeline McCall explains.
When temporary protected status was granted, a moment of relief for people fleeing dangerous countries. Under the new Trump administration, it's been a moment of panic.
The reality is, this is a scary moment.
Violeta Chapin, law professor at CU Boulder, says President Trump's latest announcement to revoke temporary protected status for over 500,000 people is really an attempt to roll back protections for immigrants, specifically those granted protection under President Biden, including Venezuelans, Cubans, Haitians, and Nicaraguans.
The Trump administration clearly is trying to end designations for Venezuela, certainly, and Haiti, even though there is absolutely no evidence that things have normalized in those places. In fact, all the evidence shows that things are just as bad and just as chaotic in those countries.
Here in Colorado, the impact means loss of status and loss of work permits. According to the federal government, it could affect more than 6,500 people in Colorado who had approved TPS applications as of March 2024.
So remember that President Trump tried to end TPS designations for several countries during his first administration, and he was singularly unsuccessful in deporting anybody the first time around.
The announcement will likely be met with legal challenges, but the authority to make decisions on TPS is held by the Secretary of Homeland Security. Chapin says Trump may find more success during his second term.
There's going to be legal challenges for sure. I just don't know how far we're going to get this time. The executive has a tremendous amount of discretion to make immigration decisions.
This is now Trump's second attempt to really roll back TPS. And a little history for you, this is actually a policy created by Republican former President H.W. Bush in the 1990s.
If we talk about these protections, they've had it and now it's gone. It's being revoked.
Yeah, and make it really clear, right? So with TPS, people would tend to renew every 2 years, for instance. This is not, say, you have it and we're not going to renew you. This is, we're taking it away. And just to be really clear with you as well, when opponents and critics talk about TPS and some of their worries and concerns, they're concerned because, TPS, people who have TPS are complying with USCIS. They're complying with the immigration system, meaning that USCIS has all of their up-to-date information, addresses, contact information, all of the things that, would be needed to target people if they really do want to detain, deport them in some of the numbers that President Trump is talking about.
And this would affect thousands of people right here in Colorado included. Angeline McCall, appreciate it. Thank you.